Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a new RC for the channel. You guys probably know what it is. WPL. And this one right here is the C24-1, I believe. Yeah, C24-1. And let's crack it open. Pretty excited. So this cheap little truck is like everybody's favorite right now. And yeah, that was convincing enough to get one. So yeah, let's see what we get. This is the kit version, by the way. We got interiors, seats, door handles, side mirrors, windshield wipers, snorkel. Oh, we got the truck. That's a cool looking body. These Toyota trucks, these old school trucks, they're really cool looking. Even in person. You got some wheels. Wow, they feel really soft. No foam, just the wheels and rims. What else is there? And what is this? Front grille, the bumper, the battery tray, the tow hooks in front. They're plastic, but looks cool though. What else we got in here? What are these? This looks like, oh, these look like the drivetrain. What else we got in here? We got the motor, servo, wires. Let's see what this is. These are shock springs, the links, and I'm wondering what these trays are. Not sure yet, but we'll get there when we build this. Here are your axles. They're all metal. Now that I've seen this is metal, let's see if these are metal. Where is it? Here we go. Let's see if these gears are metal. Oh, they are metal. Oh, nice. Nice. And we got a bag of screws. And they're all different too. All in one bag. Here are the frames. Some stickers. That's funny. This fishbone one. The instruction book. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. And the instruction book. Let's see the instruction book. All right, here's all the parts listed. Let's see how many screws are there. So number 1 screw has 70 of them. Holy crap, I better not lose any. That's a lot of screws. Alright, so it shows you how to put together the axles, the links. Here we go. This is how you get started with the chassis. Oh, there's different parts to it. Look, there's part 1, and then you move to part 2, and then part 3, and then here's the body, part 1, 2, and 3. I think that's it. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Alright, so all of this here kind of remind me of building the Tamiya. It came all in pieces just like this. took me like 4 hours to put together, so I'm not sure if this truck is gonna take me 4 hours or not. Maybe shorter. But yep. So the speed controller I'm using is one of these right here. I got this on Banggood for like $8 to $9, 20 amp, and it's specifically made for 116 to 118 small vehicles like this, so I thought I'd give it a try. Batteries I'm using is 2 of these Zop Power 750 milliamp 70C discharge 2S. It came in a pair. Also got it on Banggood. And I'm gonna try this motor right here. This motor is actually for a drone, and it came off of one of my drone, which was a spare motor. So I'm just gonna try it out on this truck to see if this motor might be better than the one that comes with it. So yeah, that's that. So that's basically it, guys. That's everything in the box except for this stuff here on the side. This stuff was separate. This is what you're gonna need to run the kit once you put it together. You're gonna need speed controller, battery, and the radio I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using a Dumbo RC radio because I have extra receivers for this. So yeah, it's basically it, guys.